Kerberoasting is a really powerful attack against Active Directory and service accounts. According to this reason that service accounts are usually misconfigured or just they are a member of admin groups, gaining access to their account and to their credential can be a really interesting step for penetration testers. So here we are, and my DC is on the right side, which is turned on, and we're going to actually ask the DC with a tool called GetUserSPN in order to give us the TGS, which is encrypted with the password of the service account. Afterward, we're going to use hashcat in order to crack it and in order to gain access to the password of the service account. So let's just dive into it. Here we are. We have to type in packet get user SPNs. We need to mention the name of the domain, which is in this scenario penetration lab.local. We need to mention also a username, a valid username. It does not need to be admin, and its password, which is in this scenario the username is sdrops and the password is inspiron1. Afterward, we need to give the IP address of the DC because we're going to ask DC to give us the TGS. And we need to mention dash request in order to get that TGS. The only key point that we have to consider in this step is this, that the time of the attacker machine and the time on the DC must be synchronized. They must be the same. Otherwise, Kerberos, the protocol responsible for giving the TGS to us, will recognize these time differences and it will not issue the TGS. So I'm going to hit enter, and here we are. We have successfully gained the TGS. Now, the only step that is remained for us is cracking it and gaining access to the password of the service account. So let me just clear the screen here. Then afterward, we can just create a file with this name, and I'm going to paste it here. Fantastic. Now we can use hashcat in order to crack it. So I'm going to use hashcat -m, which stands for the mode, and in order to crack TGS, we need to mention the number 13100. That's the mode number for it. In order to crack it, it tells hashcat that it's a TGS. And afterward, we need to mention the name of the file, and we need to give a password list, which in this scenario I'm going to use word lists rocku.txt. So let's just hit enter, and let's see what happens. Here we are, it's cracked. It is cracked. Okay, and the password is my password 123#. Fantastic. I hope that you have enjoyed the video. If you have, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell.